So I alluded to this on the first video of of part two, that when we deal with simple random samples, there's a formulaic way to write these things out, and this is what I mean. So assign a numerical label to every individual in the population. So example, for my AP Stats class, this is actually done for me based off of my class roster. So step one, I assign 01 to Alex Egley, 57 to Dan Wassman, and then all the students in between would be matched to a specific number. So that's what it means by label. Step two, use table B, which is the name for random digit table, or you really could use technology to select labels at random. This is what I did on the previous slide where we ended up selecting Sierra because she had the number 9 show up. Stopping rule, that's step 3. Well, the stopping rule I said was that we're just going to pick 5 students. Now maybe um, I wanted 6 students, or maybe it was something different altogether, but you want to identify how many things you're going to select. Step 4 is I actually kind of did in step 2, where really step 2 should have just been the number to 09, and then we would have written that it corresponds to Sierra. Probability sample. The key word here is chance. It's a sample chosen by chance. So when we deal with a random digit table, that's a probability sample as well, because the selected number is 0. There's a chance 1 out of 10 numbers will be 0. If I select the number 8, 1 out of 10 would be 8. So that's a probability sample. In a stratified random sample, we divide a population into some type of group. So we want to group somehow by a like characteristic. And then we're going to select individuals from each group. In the next slide, I'll go through an example on what stratified random sample would look like.